Hi guys, up on Durham Downs. Just the lightest wind. So I'm going to give this one a little try. Hogs Zip Wing, I think it's called. Okay, that was safe. I'll give it a bit of a push this time. Too much of a push. It's not exactly climbing in a tight spiral, is it? I was trying this a couple of days ago, windier weather, and it flew better without the motor switched on. A longer glide. What happens if I try and change its direction? Get it to circle right a bit. I really don't think that motor's making much difference to it. It uses two AAA batteries in parallel, so it's only 1.5 volts. I do remember people had tried putting lipos in it, and that just kills the timer circuit. Although you could take the timer circuit out and put one of your own in. No, that didn't help. We just haven't got the power to climb at all. I could probably put a supercapacitor in there. But, yeah, do away with the timer circuit entirely and just run it off a supercapacitor. So that gives you about 10 seconds power anyway. It's got a nice fold-in prop for safety. Just hasn't got any power. I'll give it a good throw up. Nope. Bend a bit of up elevator into it. Well, that was a longer flight. There is putting a bit of tail weight on to try and move the centre of gravity back a bit. Oh dear, it really isn't any good, is it? Just not enough power. Well, I've tried this several times now. I think I've had it about 5 years and I've never had a really good flight out of it. I think the early flights were better, so it may be the motor's struggling, maybe the gears are glitching, maybe different batteries might do better. I mean, they are cheap Poundland ones, but it certainly doesn't sound impressive. So, I don't know, I might have to take it apart and, so say, maybe just put a supercapacitor in it, straight onto the motor. So that's 2.7 volts supercapacitor. And we're currently running it on 1.5 volts. Check the video description, there'll be a link to the playlist for this, where I've got, I don't know, about 10 videos on it. None of them particularly good, but at least you can see its progress through the years. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.